Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we look into Jack Schlossberg, the grandson of John F. Kennedy and budding congressional candidate. A question that has come up online is Jack Schlossberg gay? Let's dive into what we do know. Jack Schlossberg was born in 1993 and is the son of Caroline Kennedy and Edwin Schlossberg. He holds degrees from Harvard, JD, and MBA, and has become active in politics, including running for Congress in New York's 12th District. His public persona combines the Kennedy legacy with digital savvy and a penchant for public-facing commentary. Is Jack Schlossberg gay? When asked about his sexual orientation, Jack Schlossberg has publicly stated that he is very straight and expressed interest in marrying and having children one day. He addressed rumors about him being gay, clarifying that such speculations were incorrect. Therefore, based on his own statements, he is not gay and identifies as heterosexual. As of now, Schlossberg is pursuing the U.S. Congress seat and remains active in public life, combining political ambition with media activity. Though his personal romantic life remains mostly private, the public record shows he is single, has used dating apps like Raya, and is yet to announce a partner or marriage. So to answer the question directly, no, Jack Schlossberg is not gay, and he has publicly stated that he is heterosexual. His focus presently remains on his career, public service, and future ambitions rather than relationships. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now? And Who Are They style stories.